Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we'll be doing the battery drain test of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. So this device comes with a 4700 mAh battery and it has the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of this device and see how much time that takes to drain out of the battery. Right now we have 100% battery and it is still connected to the charger. So we'll remove it from the charger and see how much time it takes to drain the battery to 0% on the Xiaomi 14 Civi. So let's get started. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So now we've disconnected the device from the charger. So let's start the timer as well. So first we'll do with Instagram. We'll play Instagram reel for around 2 hours. In that 2 hours, we'll be using Wi-Fi for 1 hour and 1 hour with the 5G network. And this is set to 120 Hz refresh rate and auto brightness. So that's the setting we are seeing, and battery is a balanced setting. So let's start the battery drain test with Instagram. So we started off with Instagram, and the first 1.5 hours on Instagram was using the Wi-Fi network. So as I said before, we'll be using a mixed usage, both the Wi-Fi and 5G network. We have the Jio SIM card inserted. So we'll be using a mixture of both the Wi-Fi and 5G networks. So first 1.5 hours on Instagram with the Wi-Fi network, and at the end of that we could get around 92% of the battery remaining. So 8% drain around 1.5 hours Instagram usage. Again, this was set to 120 Hz refresh rate and auto brightness levels. Then we moved on to Instagram again with 5G network. Now right now we have switched off the Wi-Fi network and we are in 5G, and we used Instagram for almost 1 hour to see the difference in terms of 5G and the regular Wi-Fi network. So after 2.5 hours, that's 1 hour of 5G, the battery was at 80%, and this is now around a 12% drain with 5G network. Now we went on with 1 hour of YouTube streaming. So next up, at around 3 hours 30 minutes, 1 hour of YouTube streaming was completed. We could get around 75% of the battery left. This is again on Wi-Fi usage. So here in while using YouTube as well, we used both the Wi-Fi as well as 5G network. So first hour was on 5G network, and at the end of second hour, that's 4 hours 31 minutes completed, and YouTube on 5G network, the battery was at 68%. So almost 22 or 32% drop after 4 hours and 32 minutes. So that was the battery drain till now. Then we moved on to camera usage. So next is the camera usage. So we did a camera for almost 45 minutes. Now we recorded a video in 4K 60fps. That's the maximum resolution supported on this camera. So video recording will definitely drain a bit more battery than the photo usage. So we did a video recording on 4K 60fps, and at the end of 5 hours 15 minutes, we got 51% of the battery. That's 45 minutes of streaming or other camera usage. We got around 51% battery. Next, we went on to benchmarking test. So we ran a couple of benchmarking tests. The Antutu benchmarking test, the Geekbench test, and the stress test. So after 45 minutes of these tests, we could get around a battery of around 38%. So 38% was remaining. The next we went on to Facebook and watched some Facebook videos for around 25 minutes, and at the end of Facebook usage, the battery dropped to 34%. Next we went back to camera usage, again 40 minutes of camera recording on 5G network, and by the end of this we got around 19% of the battery remaining. Then we moved on to Instagram for another 15 minutes in Wi-Fi network, and by the time now we could get around the battery drain was around 15%, and now around 7 hours and 10 minutes was completed in this testing. Now final testing was gaming. So now almost 7 hours 17 minutes we started gaming. So first game we played was Asphalt 9. Again a pretty good game in terms of high graphic rich game, and the experience also so good. We didn't see any sort of heating issues as of now. It was kind of normal temperature rise. Overheating was not evident here on this game. Then we moved on to one of the popular games, BGMI or PUBG Mobile. and we played it around almost half an hour. So again, BGMI was played in the highest possible graphic option, and we did play multiple games with BGMI. And now by around 8 hours is completed, and the battery was coming close to empty, and it was now running at 3% by 8 hours as completed on the Xiaomi 14 Civi. And now 8 hours 20 minutes the battery was completely drained out. So 8 hours 20 minutes was the battery drain time of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. So we used Instagram on Wi-Fi and 5G network. We used YouTube on 5G and Wi-Fi network. Camera we used, then we used a bit of benchmarking, then Facebook usage, camera usage, again Instagram, and finally some gaming. So that was a battery drain test of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. Again, just mentioning the parameters: 120 Hz refresh rate, and we used both 5G and Wi-Fi network, and the brightness was set to auto brightness. So that was the battery drain test. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.